Hello friends, welcome to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today we are going to know about how to fill Tripura Public Service Commission JE online application form 2022. To register, you have to open your Google tab and here you have to search for how to fill TPSC JE online application form 2022 Freshers Now. Click on enter and here you can see our website. So click on the first link. To go for the official website, you have to scroll down. Here you can see the company name TPSC and the post name junior engineer, and the education you need that graduation and diploma, and the total posts are 200 and this post is located at Tripura and the last date of this application is 26th December 2022. To apply for this post, you have to click on apply. Here you have to scroll down. Here you can see that to apply online for junior engineer post, click here. So click on that. Here is the official website. Here you have to give your personal details. If you are already a registered candidate means you can click here to log in, or else you have to give your details to register. First of all, enter your name and then your mobile number and then your mail ID. And then click on generate OTP. Here you have to enter the OTP which was sent to your mobile and then click on submit. Here you have to enter your personal information. So first of all you have to enter your first name and your last name and then enter your father name, your mother name, and select your nationality and select your gender and select your mother tongue and select your date of birth. Here you have to select your marital status. Scroll down. Here you have to select that are you a bona fide resident of Tripura? If yes means you can click on yes, or else you can click on no and scroll down. Here you have to give your identity details. Are you a holder of Aadhaar card or not? If yes means click on yes, or else click on no. If yes means you have to provide your Aadhaar card number and then enter your name on the Aadhaar card. And then scroll down and here you have to select your category reservation and then here you have to select that are you a physically challenged person or not. If yes means click on yes, or else click on no and then click on save and next. Here you have to enter your address details, give your door number. Here you have to enter your street name. Here you have to enter your locality and here you have to enter your city name. Here you have to enter your area pin code. Here you have to select your state and here you have to select your district and here you have to click the box if your correspondent address is same as permanent address. So click on that and scroll down. Here you have to click on save and next and here you have to select are you BPL card holder or not. If yes means you can click on yes and give the details, or else you can click on no. And you also select are you a government employee and you have to select are you ex-serviceman and then scroll down. Here you have to enter your physical standards. First of all, enter your height in centimeters and then enter your chest size in centimeters. This is applicable only for male candidates. And then enter your weight in kgs and then scroll down. Here you have to declare that whether any prosecution is pending in any court of law against you, and also was any court case filed against you, and whether any disciplinary action has been initiated by government or semi-government organizations against you. Select yes or no and then you have to select that whether any disciplinary or any similar action is initiated by bar council or medical council or association of other professional or vocational institution. You have to select yes or no and last you have to select that whether you are debarred or blacklisted for any examination or in university or any organization. You have to select yes or no and then click on save and next. Here you have to enter your qualification details. First of all, read the note. Here you have to mention your qualifications in a sequence starting from your 10th class to higher qualification. So first of all, you have to select your 10th class and then select your result status and then select your year of passing and then select marks type select the grade and select your state and select board of examination and then click on add. Here you have to enter your intermediate details. Here you have to enter the branch or stream and select the result status and then select year of passing and then select marks type and select the grade and select state and select the board of examination and then click on add. After that you have to enter your degree qualification details and then enter branch or stream. Here you must pass out the degree in the stream of civil engineering and then select result status. Are you passed or awarded? And then select year of passing and then select marks type and select the grade and your state and the board or university and then click on add and then scroll down. Here you have to click on next. Here you have to give your work experience details. If you have work experience means you can click on yes and give the experience details. If you have no work experience means you can click on no and then click on next. Here you have to upload your photograph and your signature. So first of all upload your photo. So click on upload photo. After that upload your signature and then click on save and next. Here you have to select your posts. So click on that. Here you can select any post you are applying for and here you have to select that you have degree in civil or not. Here the degree in civil is mandatory. If you are not passed in degree in the specialization of civils, you are not eligible for this post and you have to select your optional papers and then click on save and next. Here you have to select your center preference. So click on select center and click on Agartala and here you have to enter your place and then scroll down. Here you can see the fee details, total amount and here you have to declare that the information given by you is completely true and then click on pay now. You can read this declaration and then click on agree and pay. Here you can choose the payment options and then enter your card details and then click on make payment. Here after the completion of the payment only your application will be considered as an valid application or else your application will be rejected. So that's it guys. I hope you understood the process of how to fill TPSC JEE online application form 2022. Thank you friends.